स्वांते पाबो, इनके पिताजी को भी नोबेल प्राइज मिला था केमिस्ट्री में. And in the history of the Nobel Prizes, there have been only 5 instances where father son both have got the Nobel Prize. अब स्वांते पाबो क्या हुआ? He was roaming in Germany, and in Germany there is a place called Neanderthal Valley, Neanderthal, and he entered into a cave, gufa, and there he found this bone, only bone. Obviously, हम होते तो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. He picked up that bone and calculated the age of that bone. Had that bone being say 200, 500-year old, that bone would have been discarded. Because since 30,000 years on this planet, there is only one species, that is Homo sapiens. That bone belongs to some human beings. So then if I have to study, then I can study any alive human being, and that will be any day better. But when he calculated the age of that bone, he found it was 1 lakh year old. And people with anthro-optional will confirm that. 1 lakh year back on this planet, there was 2 species, at least 2 species. Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens. Now this means it could be Neanderthal or it could be Homo sapiens. देखो हुआ क्या? बात खत्म नहीं हुई बात. 5 million years back, there was a split. And that split resulted in chimpanzee and Homo. Then obviously hominin and hominids, these are the 2 terms we use. Hominin means our ancestors, which includes Neanderthal and all these people. 5 million years. अब रुक जाओ, फिर इसमें क्या होता है? Around 1 million years back, 1 million year ago, there was Homo erectus. होमो इरेक्टस मूव्ड आउट ऑफ अफ्रीका, वो अफ्रीका से बाहर आ गए. ठीक है, फिर इनके बाद आते हैं, होमो इरेक्टस के बाद आते हैं होमो हाइडलबर्गेंसिस. ये क्या है सर? कुछ भी नहीं है. हाइडलबर्गेंसिस, बस हो गया. इसमें से ओरिजिन हुआ किसका? होमो सपियन का और निएंडरथल मैन का. दिस इज बिट ऑफ द क्रोनोलॉजी इन द इवोल्यूशन. ये जो होमोसपियन है, हमारी जो उत्पत्ति हुई, उत्पत्ति का मतलब जानते? ओरिजिन. दैट इज अराउंड 1 to 1.5 lakh years ago. And these Neanderthal came around 1 lakh years before the Homo sapiens came. थोड़ा सा फैक्ट है, मतलब हमसे पहले Neanderthal आ चुके थे. This is what the fact is. So then you can say they were approximately 2.5 lakh years ago, they have arrived here on this planet. So that he found the bone, that bone was 1 lakh year old. अब उन्होंने कहा कि ये तो बड़ी परेशानी हो गई. So what he did, from that bone he took out the DNA. From that bone he have the DNA. And then DNA he sequenced. Sequence the DNA means he arranged all the ATCG in the order in which they were. अब और परेशान हो गए, because the sequence was not matching with the sequence of Homo sapiens. And there were only one species other than us at this place. Then obviously logical conclusion was it belongs to Neanderthal man. नहीं, इसके लिए नोबेल प्राइज नहीं दिया. अब शॉक तो तुम्हें अब लगने वाला है. In my case and your case means in my body and your body, sir, with due respect and lot of respect and utmost respect, 1 to 4% of the DNA comes from Neanderthal man. रुक तो जाओ, एंथ्रो वाले ये लिख कर आना. This DNA of Neanderthal man is concentrated on chromosome number 3. And this, रुक तो जाओ, सुनते नहीं हो तुम लोग. This concentration of the genes of the Neanderthal, in whichever population it is found, the COVID risk was 3 times higher. And this gene is significantly higher in Indian population. Neanderthal genes are also associated with type 2 diabetes. They are also associated with autoimmune disorder. It also increases the chances of autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases means when our immune system starts targeting our own body. And one more thing, sir, it also increases the probability of the prostate cancer. मतलब इसमें अच्छा कुछ नहीं आया, चाहे कोविड हो, चाहे वो डायबिटीज हो, चाहे वो कैंसर हो या कुछ और हो. अब इसमें खैर रुक जाओ. अब सवाल आपके जहन में ये होना चाहिए कि सर, like how come it is possible? Answer: no. This, what does this prove? That 1 to 4% DNA in our body is from Neanderthal. It proves two things: that Homo sapiens and Neanderthal, they were coexisting, and not only there was coexistence, there was interbreeding also.